Shandong Shuangyi Premium Boating Technology Limited, established in January 2019 and located in Dezhou City, Shandong Province, is a holding subsidiary of Shandong Shuangyi Technology Company Limited. Since its establishment, Shuangyi Yacht has been committed to the design, R&D, production, sales, and service of small and medium-sized boutique yachts. It is a solution supplier for fishing boats, recreational boats, luya boats, high-speed boats in China. Shuangyi Yacht has a high-quality team with professional technology, strong development ability, and rich practical experience. Shuangyi Yacht has introduced for an advanced yacht manufacturing technology, relying on the parent company's domestic leading yacht mold processing technology to achieve the best safety of the product, performance, and exquisite manufacturing, so as to meet the needs of domestic and foreign markets. At present, the company's products cover 485SC, 515SC, 705HT, and other 14 boat types. It has more than 20 relevant authorized patents, with an annual output of 500 boats, and has been exported to Australia, New Zealand, Europe, North America, and Southeast Asia, and other countries and regions. In the future, Shuangyi Yacht will continue to adhere to the service concept of manufacturing high-end yacht products with the best cost performance, and strive to build an excellent yacht manufacturing and service enterprise recognized by China's first-class and international customers, so that customers can feel the same color of the sea and sky and enjoy a happy life.